Hello, Mala, Chabaga Mal, in India and Taka, America, Canada, and the Maduna got Belgium. It was a boot Kamal, we never came to Africa, to Ethiopia, down the Taro right now. Canada, Tabakal Grunwang, US, Australia, DOJ, Shangdatiang, I'm not sure. The alarmal, the other way, they joined a little bit, the 2 weeks, 3 weeks till topic Mujalamano, but I decided to take a topic middle corner right order. Topic of the correct in Walla, Milai travel medicine. Milling Yana, you put a thumb up, go, you're the here, here phone. Then that con you go they real quick go check on benang time. But topic mudid. Dung the go the con take a language. The bummer longer barlat. And then your banatani and banana way short care tag me. In terms of we mourn ke liu attack. La linglida lara the world is getting closer. Larani jen QR Kachankel Bocho QR again the next day. Kenamo take a field medicine itself. Like travel medicines. The coordinating one again go Europe work Africa. Then the coordinating one again go Africa work Europe. Canadian go Western world. So take a question and want to take a coordinating take a medical field and go. Well, I'm there now. Would they lela? So go to jail. Back advice. Ke general broad publics in the neck in the advice. Ke minnam min bijal general broad preparation in them. Be a ngajin go door in jail thin. Can go within. Take a care dark. Maybe begin especially Baraka connect the Western world. Maybe begin the Western world of work Africa. And we boil ladder. DGN we gully more. DGN don't take a mission work manang. Generated our dog block up. DGN don't want to get tourism. Don't go pay hotel, got to go. So to talk to a different take a Waltindi nang cancellation. Bogone Wawimon is getting very closer. Nadine could travel year 2012. Chinchijal we more the in our exit continent. About 1 million people why Chikajal 2012. Therefore, can 81 millions 1 billion so here 1 million, Canadian 1 billions. They take a native, she take a problem, nothing, she can take a draft, you can go no what you can go within. Can you get a problem more to or lack of counseling? Unber focus area done. Go and travel medicine did jidder. Miramidian while we Australia. Take a counseling look at the Durkan, Miramidian with China, take a Durkan, Miramidian with India, nominated worker Russia. And the focus go we done is Africa, mostly traveling from Ethiopia, South Sudan, Kenya, a worker Sudan. A little bit Central Africa, East Africa take a broad disease to go to prevents. Minyam me jenny yena 18 jenna wujeme. Let's say example what take a woman to rundi jan one chanka US can check them to 35 years old karundi chop ko world the age so you check a dap ga dangro gat kelti run baro gat kelti run the chamuna la example na mun a one day told me jen ko waka ka Africa what kind of counseling do you come kado so minyam la in to me bijal buo we monitor again chara mi jilar manan right doctor a very important will be doctor la got him both him let's say we ka addis jira mu waka addis ababa par te da kana mu waka gambela Ramuoga Gambela bo, Teda Karamichi Gian, Milan Waraching, Quine Low, ni Burube, ni Roli Chalin and Yang, Kia walk cross, walk South Sudan. So to take a different level of advice, me Chayja. Kia immediately canati Tichituan Nekon, Kuka local community done. You are actually representing our community. Nato bigger depend advice. So yes, again what pre-travelings will be take counseling traveling is very important. So most of the time naath jengni doctor week go and field of travelings a field by itself. Michigan native sabbatilla travel chamata corner chamata take a thank you the wallen go Jal Kelkana, Chango Cup, can jog the other tin china cup. So go to will be walk the real trouble medicine. Ko can they at all? Taka Kajwasi can get study. Widjok. So Nike J will meet J and Chiwoka Ethiopia. A J Mediro the Gangajam. Committee J will go South Sudan, a J Mediro the Gangajam. Rather the take document to Gurka if you jalaka. Don't buy a pin with your buy a pin to lose up with the US. So, Tato, again, go to a canonical your itinerary and canila ticket renyalu, BLR, area travel, purpose of travel, type of travel, a transportation of work and accommodation. Risk to work and don't get a move to with Harry walk, the what we all couldn't mind. Kidi witching a low witching me toilet, let me say for example. Kid don't go to our go for a year. Don't go me till pew. Can all do things like I put a consideration. Because each one of them take a walk in the D in. So Aqualil, for example, minimum risk assessment is very, very important. Minimum emba gor by you go and go by you by you look over by the council protective equipment to the cock. Tin Lorodian go there, you have to la one nunga quam dakagam. For example, me win me again you. So take a Walter Bukon right in your Walter Tindi Nang, while near the Ronan to D Nang. Walter D Nang, a quick all, Benit indeed la bot movie can go the Ronan. So Bukon right in a little bit. So again, a general medical provider, or Michi Rojekalo have appointment. Ramaku yen travel be research mo back ahead of time. Then be issue logo go. Minnam the goal in Gorke a wo ba ji gang chi joye beka. Yen very important. A wo michi jal michi yen role me mostly mi jele kel ka guard. A very important wo be ja chi joye ka work role me. Ko point ki an immune system den kana taro land they are completely different. Okay? Tama thank God which take a jal medit na itong one ko kon siga road long a travel wo kon siya man kon wo kje near point jege dien ke siya man kon take a certain thing that they need to take can garden jalo kon care rewa michi join to more than 5 years ko western world one minute though siya da pa yin gan medap ke role me but your immune system check compatible kaneti ko chemi ke environment mi chai jotin kunale point ken ja active kuka lagam. So, and more, yes, Gorje, minimum by the local, the drug digger prevenity, and then the board care, like shalke injury, the kagangdi, bala through counseling, education, medication, and immunization. To drop the two big galade. So, Jeremy Chalarmadan, your Michiban by category based on your health. Takon the pound down to time the Jago Western world, don't even make a diabetes, don't take a heart disease, don't take a lung disease, don't take a kidney disease, don't take a cancer, here don't take a no to layaka. Can take a blood clot. Can talk based on how you travel by the advice and go let me say we take a blood clot. By you make sure and will be aspirin a day be young now. Ko and jari na lenjene let me say for example five and ka is Africa pan gaja from Chicago to Addis Ababa I think it's close to 8 hours a jal medit re nyalan thong mo ne So what it need is go to jail, don't take a compression socks. Could be take not be aspirin be a kind of day, just a tablet of aspirin day. But you could prevent coaching a blood clot. Agent preventive number one in Bukan for those long journey. Aspirin is very cheap, you know. I think anyone go conda go and take aspirin, you know. I mean, ibuprofen is more expensive than that. But one tablet a day can prevent a lot of clotting, as long as you take other bleeding problem. So, no more majorly, like I recommend you be you can order right now. 2 days before you travel to the airplane, just to prevent you from blood clot. Michiro the Muika Churam like Kai Chalke Karijini Medan, like Churam Barbar and Conde Bonubi Malran. So Churam con look at the Kuchirium, Chumnuku chicken belong, or chicken benar. So Katadi a very squeezing on. A one preventative one. So the next thing in Balelo food, you know. Food can contain bocha muida, you know. So me chubrolan put, you know, medan akona char and jala pai jala. I thought it only a chara tar mewa, you know. Kia quantin de chum till nega chum with a medan metal pine law is almost the same. Good news of put in allo change that I'm letting my year, but me to walk and which you want on money, you jang the pew to mouth. Be the source of a lot of disease didn't we have a problem with pew. So mun long road to put me chang be here more ogul, more the pew barrel. Rather the michi a pew barrel, take a tilla cocker, a la filter, teach a test in order any pew that can get tea. Langana jelga kill all the time. Can't be used Mokwai Jalamako, Ethiopia is Jatianko, take a pew barrel, take a pew to filter. So broad moika kel me bakan, broad moika can filter more, go filter more change, what dang nijig away, don't think of pure. D pew ye diga can diga la jaga, diga tiga, it's better than nothing. But the main thing is if you can avoid tap water. People avoid the muddy and order can tap water, be a good and go near luck, who black a cable top cake. Cola tanki and away. You don't do that. So you avoid as much as possible. Mineral kantal. Let me put example salad, but I on Western world, one of our favorite food is salad. Salad travel medicine is one of the worst one. Ko to a la clean lineness church we mourn. We mourn it again, Nathan that chicken can eat own restaurant. Like an a higher native cocaine, we can call a parlor. Nay, don't chicken eat very clean. Quagga pay your queen. So imagine your salad and come to give me walk in a clean. Me see a restaurant, no go, me check to Nairobi, here to Addis Ababa, here to Ghana to cook here. Number what to organ and salad in Numbaji, here to tomatoes in Numbaji, quack like a pew, like a pew tea dirty, a pew matura. The matura more tarabi thinner that you don't know. So quite recommend what you can morale. See fruit me, see gin budget gather. Here they chum. So no more here ring makan papa ring makan muy kamai muga kwaja avoid which here they chum. Mindodian a chak. Con 80 quarries up a chak, according to the low chak. Chak take a certain disease, especially liver disease, take a just one along to walk through them. To our Kagwang Iga Road be cut and cover Kamangai Karadia. So like you are like a short cake. So meet a 2 on which go which make sure and go chakutin be a mad because chap to chapel. Back up all temperature muga, then bigger cool down. The Changland go freeze a bigger quite. So make sure and go chaga con. The same thing money, you know, and I love it and everything. But it's very important to wait until you come to Kampal. Big mark, big chamnerate me chapal, kechabul. Rather try to avoid no meat correct. We toy. Telala Kona Levy de Medan. I mean, it's fun and it looks nice and everything. But is still very dirty. A chunk of white chala. Go we done Tomo more. Chatidial, chaka separate. ka na ni ta toilet ni again 2 year to everything everything. So to say it nice and ku avoid di meet ko kon wijwai ni, you know. Yes, of course kon mi cha bul cha lak cha gwa but lo di ke je wijwai ni yo. So we end up and go bu di me very unsanitary di elel here bi go western world money ne kon terek. For example ga ni gen ga ades tin ta ga gambele chwane ke goro no banaka manare ina ko no mo da ko mo ke career mudit men da dien along men cha recommend special ko ne do East Africa ka tla chola vector illness ka jwa tin je ke qui calm, you know, mostly jwe dan indeed along ngade nyit, you know, nyit can jwa dia la koken wa is very important along and di go no ko tok chang dan pai cham ko ki ko runwa dan along pai chang le you avoid outside cho go no be chu khaira bu ngar ke nyen ke you can easily get infected me again no rumnuro insect repellents la kan ta ka bar le tieni ne te kill me mostly mi cha mat ke chemical actually DEET, you know, one of the best one in chemical more che take a lot of poison ke human body but naga come to one. So be go no bi jawe je kel mi cha to no di go mir jordan bi choko spray ke je bu ka pin te be ni ke bi ko bi spray ke je. So be nyine to one backup prevent. So be je gang no chi da take joy men da dia along a year intentionally, you know. Con take a warm ne ti je ke repi ni, you know, medan ko kon ngai ni mi la chali chwe actually here jwe mi je but take mi la chali schizomiasis mi la chali chodanan ngo de ro lam tong mo tere mon ko kon kel so go je o long o he bu go bo ta ke fan repi ni ko da to wono da wore gubudu and then mu je wono ko western world bana ta ka hard time treating it be jila ban moy ke ngad if you can bo ke kujimo be avoid no long chida jal ke part ko gwam ta ka twak, you know, just to make fun of it. So be da ji kula da ji lo. So no more can most preventative can to diala ton men da dien seat belts mi je to gi wo kan tong mi ngai ke je to be they are very crowded. If you can afford it di road mo ji ka taxi ke di seat belt di la mi to gi sila ta fan lo use motorcycle like always wear your helmet ko chabo chada go dong di go hand up, you know, doing an accident. I mean it's worse over there than con ko get ke nei ti get ke go long push but tell like a char to go, you know, very easy when you get into trap. When the DN last here very easy and it's very sensitive sexual activities, you know. So me go western world ajira mata yo of course, you know, lenyi per ke average ne tin na ka yo to go tin takalla but lenyi ne tin one tin la ka tedien so what to go bita ka yo and then mala wa to la two thing la kan wa to mi jira mala mat ko kam so bu ko and bo len and then yo chuma ko kam then mu bi nyerbe ga tak ji. So please very important and go me chi ke nyamu ku ne ni je charo do le la gwa try to avoid di what hoy ke nyer ti juruni ke yo jira mi general man. So you end up will be job big no ngoro bro mo ke joy me very cardiac mi cha bu long tweet rather than ka wo je no jin ke yo and instead of having fun to mo be fun kungu be ken wo lo ko be ken mo kare na ma che dum wuna kara wood money check bo kon man ta kon ke capacity bo da kon nei ti choro di ne ka nei to go ka jal ga kane go ki da ngai dang da ken wo trap a ken long me need into the western world one of the risk factor me take okay no toy ne ti je kanika ka ken yero dun comedian. So the jimal trick me to fall into a big problem. So I'm just saying it, let learn channel learn ka te chi tuong no wat ko kon so no more agenda lara. So michi kwa agenda no, those are just preventative, okay? And then what are the medication ka walna ti daran kanang, okay? Kwanne to nga malaria te ko wal ti chare le ka odi ka nang kini ni jen wal nyam la mala je no wal me da contain me la kona shola chloroquine ki hydrochloroquine. It's a very effective drug. Medan like treat malaria. Come ahead of time. Da malaria da gam. But in drug me hydrochloroquine, they take a resistant medid. Mostly is Africa. So be step up a little bit. Take a like flaconils. Kia doxycycline. Doxycycline is like gel. Kon team like gel. Take a very cheap drug. 100 milligrams. You just take it once a day. Be a mouth kill every single day. Ganga malaria to best, you know. I mean, you brought what through yet, but ganga malaria long. Be a mouth and then brought with more like 1 week mouth. So be you look. Me look mother. Go pan up here like la loida jala go and Dr. Cycling. Like here took doon like here me take a deed me like thing. La pan up loid in a jala. There's another drug, similar like mabloquins, you know. So one more the rom kijikel. Take a one dang dog, you know. Michelle Pramaquin, but teething. Pramaquin like I can once a week. Mean little bit different, a little bit expensive, you know. You can once a week, manu go to Lunjok, a chunkel kajok. So week 1 month, but can you 4 times a week. So, but Dr. Cycline, you have to take it every single day. Chloroquine is there, but Kayariadan is a very resistant drug. So yes, kakon bro yigang malaria. The next one, diarrhea. I think the one in travel, including myself, and on your cup of diarrhea. So diarrhea is one of the easiest things to get. Mostly here the can dirty. Just when you travel, the environment broader will change. So go to you will be jal ke kawal. Te one like a bit more solicited, you know. One of the very good medicine you can take when you travel. Okay, but you gang ko michi diarrhea just but you might look over slow down. Another medication is like azithromycin, you know. Like azithromycin like malamat ke roll many, but take a cough, bronchitis like I come with you. Very cheap drugs, you know. So be broad muike. Broad muike dose ni karobiga kuga kam jikel. Kimichi jena mi like fluoroquinol or ciprofloxacins, you know. So can wal at all, walang do at all, they are very important for travel diarrhea. So because the doctor jagora ka because latka back to. So men naka ka kendang do special fluoroquinol which only twin diarrhea kora antibiotic. It can also help you micha you bot. Me chila what take a hard time gua. So be look, so you can take those. Those are the medications that you can take. Mostly the very important things. So malaria, diarrhea. Those are very very easy to get in me. But take a waltadi ka me chicken yan. But the first thing you know preventative. Quantum be chum can pewter be mark big teeth. Then be wala topic can you will come back fine. There's no problem. Roll anti choboga. And then another important thing of vaccination. You know, you don't need one religiously whatever foreign of view, look and vaccine. Vaccination they are very important. Me role me work a doctor check vaccination, regular vaccination to come kana. A keen in the travel. One of the vaccine I recommend any got Nuer should take hepatitis B. Hepatitis B roll-on is chronic. Need one cover long. Cover na cheer during social life into con where quotidian cheer communicate. And to correct your medan go hepatitis B jigging a myth tongue kill me mina tung kia guali garanan jigje. So please miti want to take a chance and regular hitino. A jitwom here got hepatitis, hepatitis B vaccine. The vaccine bo, the hepatitis A vaccine taking. Min go hepatitis A, will not cover, but I'm not again point out. I mean, they move you chunk. I mean, hepatitis B will chronic. They come and then bo develop into J point. So that means a very important. Meridian tetanus, you know. Tetanus, like on I told me that ring. So you never know what more jaltin. Dang do to QR camera thing you later the way the door. Then me take a rusty nail ke michike da chang yini kwa bene dorne on da te open point kal me ke nail so me kana mu ke test na ke tetanus da yo mu ke kariya mo so a very important wo tetanus kana mechale hepatitis A and B vaccination you must take them me ka god good tieni very important wo be jaba updated ko the vaccine bo kamla chala mumps rubella pertussis poliomyelitis varicella and then COVID-19 COVID-19 is still there, guys. I mean, it's jam thin Thomas. I mean, near you are jam conquer. So, Mr. Lima Gang vaccination is so far China just safe and it helped. But to avoid them, now vaccinate many times. Right now, it's creeping up, it's coming back again. And would make almost with it. So, more one in Benbo, by you can. So, mitigate chance go Western world go the vaccination or I really recommend that. So again, one of them, hepatitis A, hepatitis B, tetanus vaccination, COVID-19 vaccination. Already is required. Mutually yellow fever. Is required. We don't want Africa. We jal Africa. Take a week to go to you, which go travel till Lundi job by you till so. Breja ba tum ke yellow fever an point na cha ko no tum na ka South Africa cha ma tum role men but cha card cha parwi what I South Africa you know by you tum ya come kwa tum for almost $200 ka vaccine ma kan almost $20 here you know so it's very good and go you make sure and go your yellow vaccine your yellow fever vaccine is available Melodian media larne ko ken ne la wo ke jalwa ko a very important o brand meningitis misal meningococcal vaccination meningitis a joimila cup re ne to one hero mat gwakel especially chapala na wa palo ko binanian gwakel binien ko crawl ko dombo re bijit kam so a very important o de jumu ke meningitis vaccination here we could have bijit kam to mo could do bo toisin ke ne to you don't know the Michateke outbreak is one of the deadly diseases and I don't want to never got so me crusader me one Allah right quote boy kana kel boy chen kana kel very long period of time very important o jumoy ke meningitis vaccine tiko kien tin kwa recommend charega cholera mostly laba area me cholera to break out the ngai boy at a time so it's not a lot recommended, but quite recommend go connect to a healthcare provider. Go meet you walk, go to our only work and now treating you with your care and the cholera. But meeting ordinary citizen, me go and recommend me more a cover a better area would be working. So quite recommend. And then meridian rabies, you know. Rabies mostly connect in Chacon whatever they recommend would they run would what happened, would only what they walk, the go mine, don't look at the joke, you know. Then the to always go yellow mera and kai joey walk a rabies a made and miller on a cup so look with you go to our boaching ka so the yumuike rabies you know and then typhoid fever is one of those so kukuja more to talk can advise this day come your mostly very easy to get we travel the time you travel medicine but you come location there me long just call me just give me a heads up did you look good to talk very important ko me chi won lu njok je mu infection la ne ti to ko western world la treatment in I been yi ni point malaria na hard time you know ko ba treat but you can jaga bu ro baraka ji ba ji le ba le refer guardian those are lost time at work you know so we more than chi conventin they recommend yes when we travel please let run last but not least Payavan myself Payavan Africa che yen we jema cha work Ethiopia cha one dora and then chala wajal chala one ka dang ka juba so they need the altechi they receive ke teammate ga nei de gala ta loy medit one of my trip nang nei wal bo wal nang ne equipment ni chigo wal equipment ni the dual wal corner the gambel they gala upgrade a little bit one by one so chine equipment chine ga nang ne we jiga doctor very bright, you know. Da man dan mi Dr. Cheng me ka gambele la de kel kene ji house bureau da man dan to road chicken doctor kon chicken ga la gwa kel chine te ga sai chine to go along to ne ga la kel ga ko wi mo na ma kelu mi chala ngai ngwana me gwa u charge, you know, mi chi mi tor ngai ba yi le ga chicken ga de chicken na wo nge long how to order an infectious disease that and diagnose it ti tel kane wa man ni malaria odi twidi dita, you know, tan wa ngai take, you know, chi cherui yen ga je chang le le kudwal gor medan but nen ga every day, but at the same time tane ga technology mi da ne ga nge ga so that thing tine wo ga and then we turn around community dan kelu kanane ka South Sudan embassy ka address chine receive ga che George go kon we are a country, you know, ta kon ko which jinran me la door ka ne kun ken ki bunya dana dan we have to claim it ka bana latin agwa ban ne kon ngi biga citizen to go the same thing je ne cha nyol ne ga ko te ka embassy dum South Sudan ka adis demand dana ambassador David Dang can ambassador James Morgan chiga ne ka gwa and you can name we war ga ne wona ka juba ka ke chine baran chine wona ne to mon go ne ngude ran ne no just midaran long lan things are going there to da corridor look okay. Ko to be honest with you, channel robo high ko problem no kon. Bane ko face jen bane ko kula solve. Go ko no chiku bicho ka ne ti jogati. So anyway, I think it will a little bit longer, but what I'm trying to tell you is please take preventative medicines at hand. Ko jin mu wi jal wi mon mu den lam ja ngi jin go jen sin cha per chu cheng recklessly. Cho we ti brong per ka ne ti jen re den medan. Ne ti chi immunity me better chi kana lo biel chere we boka ngwa mo daga la betaga a time ko you have gone ti chi kan ga long tolerate ko dai dan is different one kin ti boka different so again I'm gonna under mandu na bel nyak ne chagwa long la rin yo che ko mal ka la rin yo yes please gang yourself che to ne ni me wi dan ti diar mi charo mene mi chang lor ga je da wi da kwai lo nya mare kana mare diare la ngai kana mera charom da thana di nong chang of no idea ko dollar ngai je what it is, you know. So kan ran map tin ngai je utin gore diar ro kati go pat go ka by that time de kon ken ka ki di yang kon ngai ka de kulele yes chemit kare je long ko retal go right there, you know. Chi there's different dual poiran ko yeah you come from a different planet. I mean different continent we meridian. So anyway, Michi Diara please do not think which I'm out there. So but Nady come thank you. Diara I keep it. So any gentleman be a Takamala Rancha misleading or Kamachi woman Dr. Gadveli or Diara no, I didn't do that. Kana so managing both you Chajicha Oak Diar Vidiarmo, Jimoki Chake Yum then Bukafal. So they pagan on a mistake a Mr. Dark than Banele Jochona. Thank you so much. Bye bye.